Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this session, I'm going to tell you about the free certification course for a generative AI, which is provided by the Microsoft as well as a LinkedIn. Now, generative AI is a field where we can actually create a content with the help of a prompts or the text we pass to the AI. Whether you are looking to start your career in a generative AI or you want to improve the skills of a generative AI, then this video is for you. So, Microsoft and LinkedIn are teamed up to provide a course on a generative AI which will be helpful for the beginners as well as the person who want to improve their knowledge on a generative AI. And the main thing is you will get a badge from a Microsoft and the LinkedIn. Let's get started on how we can enroll and do a certification course for this generative AI which is provided by the Microsoft. On a screen you can see I have opened a LinkedIn learning platform where we have a course called as a career essential in a generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn. So Microsoft and LinkedIn are teamed up to provide a course that is a essential in a generative AI. Course contains 5 hour and 43 minutes of a content and there are total 6 modules in this learning content. Discover the skills needed to apply for generative AI in your career. Learn the core concept of artificial intelligence and generative AI functionality. So in this course, you will be able to learn the core concept of a AI and generative AI. Now, how this works? So this is from Microsoft and this learning path is eligible for professional certificate from Microsoft. So you will get a certificate of a Microsoft. To earn your career essential certificate by Microsoft and LinkedIn, follow the below steps. First, you need to complete all the course and content in this learning path. Then take and pass the final exam. Once you pass, you will have immediate access to your certificate so that you can add it to your LinkedIn profile and share it with others. You have to complete the course and after that you will be able to give an exam, and once the exam is passed you will earn the professional certificate. After you complete all the content and pass the final exam you will earn your professional certificate. So this certificate will be free. If I go up and check what are the different modules, what is a generative AI? So learn about the basic of a generative AI including its history, popular models, how it works, ethical implications and much more. Next is a generative AI, the evolution of thoughtful online search, streamlining your work with the Microsoft Copilot, then learning Microsoft 365 Copilot and business chat, ethics of a age of a generative AI, and introduction to the artificial intelligence. So let's say if I go up and open any of the module, you see there are different contents on a left hand side. So we have an introduction where it generative AI is a tool in the service of humanity, what's new. So this is a video lectures. And if I go down, the importance of generative AI, how generative AI is different than other types of AI, how generative AI works, creating your own content and chapter quiz. So once the module is completed, you will have a 4 question quiz after that. Then we have a main models, and after that the future of AI, ethics and responsibility, working with the generative AI, and after that conclusion. So once you take all the modules or all the videos are completed, then you will be able to take this exam, and once the exam is completed you will be able to get the course certificate from the Microsoft. Now on a screen you can see the course details. There are total like 1 lakh plus students who have already attended and reviewed this course with a rating of a 4.7, so which is a very good rating. And if I go down, it will just show the ratings of the course. So let's go back to the main content and see what else we have. If I go down, yeah. So once you complete this course, you will be able to use a Microsoft Copilot. So Microsoft Copilot is a product of a Microsoft, which is a generative AI, and you will be able to use that tool. After that, they have Microsoft 365 Copilot and a business chat. This is also a product of a Microsoft, and they also have given the introduction to that Microsoft Copilot. If I go down, you will learn foundational generative AI skills with these experts. So these are the 5 experts from which you will learn the generative AI course. So this is all about the generative AI course which is provided by Microsoft and LinkedIn. Get a free certification once you give the exam. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.